Now imagine this, if you could generate unlimited Sudoku puzzle with just one click like this. No apps, no ads, just pure Excel magic. Let me show you how this can be done. Let's jump into our Excel workbook here. Here's the setup. It doesn't get much simpler than this. I have a dedicated worksheet called Sudoku. After you created this worksheet called Sudoku, you're going to press Alternate F11 to launch your VBA editor. On this module, you're going to right click and you're going to say Insert, Module, and it's going to insert a brand new module for you. In this module, you're going to paste this VBA subroutine. If you like a copy of this VBA subroutine, please leave a request on the comment section and I'll show you how you can get it. After that, go ahead and save your VBA and then go back to your worksheet here. In here, you're going to introduce a new button by clicking on developer. If your developer option is not available here, right click anywhere on the ribbon, customize ribbon, and make sure there's a check next to a developer and click on OK. Once that's done, your developer selection will be available. Go to insert. Under form control, you're going to select this button here and place the button anywhere on your worksheet. And now you're going to associate that subroutine that you just created on a VBA with this button. Mine is going to be called module 1, generate Sudoku, and click on OK. You can change the text on this button by right clicking on it, edit text. I'm going to simply say generate with the exclamation mark, and then you can also change the font in here by selecting like this. Go to home, font, increase that by a bit, and maybe make it a bit bold like this. Now every time you click on the generate button, boom, you can see in less than a second we have a brand new professional grade Sudoku puzzle. What? Did I hear someone say if the difficulty level can be changed? You bet your pants you can. Let's go back to our VBA editor. Basically, there's 3 levels of difficulty. 1 being easy, 2 being medium, and 3 being hard. Let's say if you put 1 here and go back in here, you can see if you hit generate, the Sudoku puzzle becomes slightly easier. And if you put to 2 and go back to our spreadsheet here, generate, it starts to become difficult as you increase this number to 3 like that. If you're looking to print this Sudoku, you do not want to start from cell C4 like this, but rather cell A1. That's an easy way to do it. Let's go back to our VBA editor here. All you have to do if you want to print from cell A1, simply change the row to be 1 and the column to be 1. Go back to our spreadsheet here. I'm going to erase this guy here so they can see it clearly. And if you hit generate, you can see that the Sudoku puzzle starts from cell A1. This is also a great feature for creating a Sudoku book and sell it in Amazon, if you know what I mean. The source code for this Sudoku will be available in my community page.